Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Previously I have discussed about two important cell organelles, that is mitochondria and nucleus. You can get the link in the description box. Today I am going to share the structure and function and also the types of another important cell organelles, which is endoplasmic reticulum. So let's start. Endoplasmic reticulum, that means endoplasmic means inside the cytoplasm, and the reticulum, which means network. So this consists of three elements. That means the structure of endoplasmic reticulum consists of three elements. One is cisternae, another one is vesicles, and the third one is tubules. So cisternae, vesicles and tubules, these are all belong to the endoplasmic reticulum. So first I am going to draw the structure of cisternae. This is the nuclear envelope. This is the nuclear envelope. This is nucleus. The cisternae, which is formed from the nuclear envelope. From the nuclear envelope, here protrusion occur, or you can say it evagination. Invagination, that means inside or inner folds, and where the evaginated, that is the outer fold. So this is the outer fold of the nuclear envelope, from which, or nuclear membrane, from which the cisternae is formed. So the cisternae is like this. Okay, so this is cisternae, and the in the surface area or the surface of the cisternae, ribosomes are present. And you can see here the cavity-like structure. This is the cavity-like structure, which is known as lumen. The cisternae, which is unbranched. Okay, and this is basically the rough endoplasmic reticulum. I will discuss later. Next is vesicle. So vesicle is like a spherical structure. This is vesicle, and also the surface of the vesicle, ribosomes are present. These are ribosomes. Okay. The third one is tubule. Tubules are branched, like this. Okay. And there are no ribosomes present. Okay, so this is tubule, and the lumen of the tubule is broader than the lumen in the cisternae. So cisternae basically closer to the nucleus. You can see here, this is closer to the nucleus, and the tubules, which is closer to the plasma membrane or PM, which is closer to the plasma membrane, and the vesicle, it is closer to the cisternae. So the overall structure of the endoplasmic reticulum is, this is the nuclear envelope. Okay, so here is the cisternae, which is closer to the nuclear envelope or nucleus, that is the evagination of the nuclear envelope, and here the ribosomes are present. And the vesicles near the cisternae. Here is also ribosomes are present. And towards the plasma membrane, like this is plasma membrane. Towards the plasma membrane or closer to the plasma membrane, the tubules structure of endoplasmic reticulum is present. That is this is the tubular structure of endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the basic structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this is the cisternae, and this is vesicle, and this is tubules. So this is the basic structures of endoplasmic reticulum, and the cavity-like structure inside the cisternae and also the tubules is known as lumen. Now I am going to start about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Here I am writing. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is RER and another one is SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why rough? Because on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. Okay, and this is unbranched. Whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER, here is no ribosomes are present. So this is SER. These are the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. And now I am going to discuss about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. First, the functions of SER is detoxification of drugs or poison. Detoxification of drugs and poisons. Basically, it is occurred in the liver cells, and also it helps in lipid biogenesis or biosynthesis, and also it helps in secretion of hormones, mainly steroid hormone. So these are the functions of SER. And another important function, that is storage of calcium ions. Okay. Now I am writing the functions of RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is very important. That is, it helps in protein synthesis, which is the one and only important functions of endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in protein synthesis. Okay. So when the mRNA is formed in the nucleus, in case of eukaryotic cells, these are all organelles which is present only the eukaryotic cell, except germinal cells. ER is not present in germinal cells, and also it is not present in mature mammalian RBC. Okay. So inside the nucleus, when mRNA is formed, it is mRNA which is single stranded. Then through the nuclear pore, it is transported to the ribosome, where the protein synthesis is getting started. Okay. So this is the main function of RER, that is, it helps in protein synthesis. So this is basically all about the structure and function of endoplasmic reticulum. Let me try to summarize the today's lecture. So basically this is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum has three elements, or the structure is made up with three elements. One is cisternae, another one is vesicle, and the third one is tubules. The cisternae, which is closer to the nucleus, and also it is formed from the nuclear envelope. Next is vesicle, which is closer to the cisternae. Okay, and the lumen of the RDR, which is the cisternae, which is very less. In case of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is branched and it is closer to the plasma membrane. Okay, and next is vesicle. The vesicles are the spherical like structure, and also the ribosome is also present in the surface of vesicles. Next is the function in case of RER and also SER. The function of SER and RER, the main function of the endoplasmic reticulum, basically it helps in translation, and the ACR, in case of ACR, it helps in detoxification of drug, poisons, and also it acts as storage of calcium ion, helps in the lipid synthesis. Okay, so this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so hope you will like it, and definitely if you like my video, please support me. I will definitely come more videos, new pattern of videos. So please subscribe my channel and please comment. Okay, till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.